What idiot broke an egg? What are you guys doing? Oh my God. We're playing the candy here. What about that? Yeah, come on, help. You're weak.
Ako nyari naman. Bebek. Sandra, kilos ma. Mana?
Okay.
Sandra, kilos.
Hey!
Oh my God, they're breaking! They're breaking! You do these ones. We need a medic! We need thousands of medics! Oh my God! Go!
Meron yung marika dyan?
Kumaro tournament.
Bili ka ba?
Biliyot. Tok, tok. Ako mo lang. Pakaloy. 8-5. Ngayalaw na itong gido. Lot na rin eh. Kamara mo ako. Nat. Ano naman kalabi.
Kuya, parang video ba? Hurry up, mamaya may kami pa. Karota por ahí, hermano.
Hindi po ito yung oras. Kung niya kung rora yan.
Mayiptan, tontas dos.
Dudum na niya. Pagir. Ngayon dudum.
Ya voy a valer a ver mi manja. Mínimo.
Marah ada rodo ini kan.
Hurry up, mamaya may kami pa.
Eh?
Ah. Challenge. Iya, coba.
Get inside.
Mau.
Everything, and you're not quite used to that. So good scheme so far by Scott Drew. We have to try to get this game, in my opinion, to 8 to 7 before halftime, and we'll feel good about ourselves.
Kacikat. Ako pala.
They got this.
Ako.
Bro, I'm gonna beat you with 2 guns, bro. You really think? No, you want
Alergia tanam.
I can beat you with 2 guns. I can beat you with 1. What? Yo. Larar.
Yeah.